Okay, let's take a look at a few more. Here I have 4/10 compared to 40/100. Now we have already learned that 4/10 is actually equal to or equivalent to 40/100. Watch as I draw a 0 here with the 4/10. That now became 40/100. So the answer to this one would be equal to. Now, what if I have something like 38/100 is what compared to 380,000? Well, that's same idea still applies. 38/100. If you look right here, if you cover up that 0, it's the same 38/100. That 0 does not change the value of the hundreds and the tenths place. So I can add a 0 here so that we have the same place values, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and you can see that they again are equal. Let's try another one. If I have 0.51 is compared to 0.510. There's 3 place values to the right of the decimal, so we can make 3 place values over here. 1, 2, 3. We just add a 0. They will become equal.